So, today I'm going to be singing a song for my best friend. Today's her birthday. Happy birthday, Andrea. I love you so much. You make me so happy, so I'm singing this song for you. I never thought that you would be the one to hold my heart. But you came around and you knocked me off the ground from the start. You put your arms around me and I believe that it's easier for you to let me go. You put your arms around me and I'm home. How many times will I let you change my mind and turn around? I can't decide if I'll let you save my life or if I'll drown. I hope that you see right through my walls. I hope that you capture me 'cause I'm already falling. I'll never let our love get so close. Put your arms around me and I'm home.